If you're over 60 and struggling with muscle loss, fatigue, or leg weakness, it might not just be aging, it could be sarcopenia. But what if I told you the solution could start with cheese? Yes, the right kind of cheese, real food, not protein powders or pills, can help rebuild muscle, boost strength, and even fight inflammation. Cheese gets a bad reputation. Excess fat, excess salt, and far from nutritious. But what if I told you that certain cheeses, when chosen wisely, could actually help rebuild your muscles after 65? That's right. The secret to fighting sarcopenia might already be in your fridge, wrapped in wax paper and ready to work wonders. Today, I'm sharing 3 incredible cheeses that are loaded with exactly what your muscles crave after 60: protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients. These aren't your average snack cheeses. These are powerful, natural tools for muscle repair, now being increasingly recommended by doctors and researchers for adults over 65. Stick with me to the end and I will show you exactly how to enjoy them for maximum strength and minimum risk. According to doctors, the right kind of cheese isn't just safe, it can actually support your health as you age. It can be one of the most effective foods preserving muscle mass after 65. Sarcopenia, silent muscle loss that impacts millions, doesn't have to be your fate. Today, I will show you how 3 delicious everyday cheeses can help you stay strong, steady, and independent far longer than you might think. So grab a pen and paper because you are definitely going to want to write this down. We'll show you the science, when to eat them, and how to make them part of your daily life, without spiking your cholesterol or gaining unwanted weight. Let me start. Number 1, cottage cheese. First up, cottage cheese, the unsung hero of senior nutrition. And I know what you might be thinking: cottage cheese might remind you of those old diet plans from the 80s. But this humble cheese is actually one of the most powerful muscle-building foods available to older adults. Here is what makes cottage cheese so special. 1 cup packs 25 grams of casein protein, which digests slowly and helps preserve muscle mass even while you sleep. 25-gram protein per cup, high in leucine, supports overnight recovery. Leucine is a key amino acid that flips the switch on muscle protein synthesis. That's critical when you're over 60. How to use it: have half a cup before bed with cinnamon and walnuts for muscle repair while you sleep. Number 2, Parmesan. Next, Parmesan. It's not just for pasta. This hard, aged cheese is packed with protein, phosphorus, and bone-boosting calcium, all in a tiny serving. 10-gram protein per ounce, low lactose, bone plus muscle health. Studies show that aged cheeses like Parmesan have bioavailable nutrients and lower lactose, making them easier on older digestive systems. How to use it: grate over roasted veggies, soups, or eggs. Just a tablespoon adds flavor and nutrients. Number 3, Swiss cheese. Unlike processed slices, real Swiss is rich in vitamin B12, zinc, and quality fats that fuel tired muscles and support nerve health. 8-gram protein per slice, vitamin B12, muscle and nerve support. B12 deficiency is common over 60, and it leads to fatigue and muscle weakness. Swiss cheese is a delicious way to top up. How to use it: add a slice to your sandwich or enjoy it with apple slices for a blood sugar-friendly snack. To fight sarcopenia naturally, consistency is key. Aim to include one of these cheeses daily, paired with movement, hydration, and protein-rich meals. Protein, calcium, B12, recovery, taste. No powders. No pills. Just real, nourishing food that supports your strength, independence, and energy. Which of these cheeses will you try first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who wants to stay strong after 60.